Hi guys, welcome back to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy.
And today we're going to go through the common courtesies.
Polite words that we can use in Bisaya.
So let's get started right now. So the first one is probably the most used we need, and that is how to say thank you. So how do we say that one?
Salamat. Salamat.
Thank you is salamat. Our next phrase for you is you're welcome.
Walay sapayan or way sapayan.
You're welcome. Why sapayan or walay sapayan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Salamat.
Way sapayan.
Moving on, our next phrase is I'm sorry. So how do we say that?
Pasayloa ko. I'm sorry. Pasayloa ko.
I'm sorry is pasaylo ako.
Pasayloa ko.
Pasaylo ako.
Pasayloa ko.
Our next phrase for you is I didn't mean to do it. Which is
Wala nako tuyo ah. Wala nako tuyo ah. Wala nako tuyo ah. I didn't mean to do it.
wala nako tuyo a. I didn't mean to do it. Wala nako tuyo a. Our fifth phrase is please don't be offended. So how do we say that?
Ayaw lang og kasuko. Ayaw lang og kasuko.
Please don't be offended is ayaw lang og kasuko. Our sixth phrase for you is may I pass.
May I pass in Bisaya is paagi ako,
May I pass paagi ako.
paagi ako.
How to say I don't understand in Bisaya.
I don't understand is wa ko kasabot. I don't understand. Wa ko kasabot.
I don't understand is wa ko kasabot.
Wa ko kasabot. Wa ko kasabot. I don't understand.
Another common phrase we'll teach you is I don't know. So how do we say that?
Wa ko kabalo. Or ambot.
I don't know is wa ko kabalo, or you can use ambot. Our ninth phrase for you today is just a minute or just a moment, please. How do we say that?
There's two ways to say it. First is kadyut. Kadyut lang. And the second one is kadali lang. Kadali. Kadali lang.
So the first one is kadiyot lang, and the second one is kadali lang.
Kadyut lang. Kadyut lang. Kadali lang.
Another popular phrase you may need when you're in the Philippines is please speak slowly.
Palihog, hinaya, pagsulti. Please speak slowly. Palihog is please. Hinaya means slow. Pagsulti is talk. Palihog, hinaya, pagsulti.
Please speak slowly is palihog, hinaya, pagsulti. If you don't quite catch what someone said to you in Bisaya, you can always ask them to repeat it. So let's learn that one next. How do you say please repeat?
Usba, palihog. Usba is repeat. Palihog is please. So when you say please repeat in Bisaya, you say Usba Palihog.
Usba Palihog. Please repeat.
Usba Palihog.
And the last phrase we're going to teach you today is I beg your pardon. So how do we say that one?
Unsay gisulti nimo? Unsay gisulti nimo?
I beg your pardon is unsay gisulti nimo.
I beg your pardon. Unsay gisulti nimo? So guys, those are the polite words and phrases that you can use in Bisaya. I hope you learned something from this video.
If you have any suggestions for us, please put them in the comment section below. As always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you do enjoy our content. And most importantly, have a great day guys. That's bye from us. Bye!
Bye!